The DeWalt Flexvolt 60 volt max chainsaw has a powerful and efficient brushless motor delivering gas performance with runtime of up to 70 cuts per charge on a 6x6. The low kickback 16-inch Oregon bar and chain has auto oiling for continuous lubrication and a tool-free tensioning system for quick bar and chain adjustments. DeWalt Flexvolt batteries automatically change voltage when you change tools, working with 20 volt max tools and chargers and providing longer runtime when used with 20 volt max tools. It starts with the pull of the trigger, eliminating the cold starts and carburetor issues that can come with gas-powered chainsaws. DeWalt Flexvolt, power without gas.